Hi, it's me, Olivia Peck, your local millennial voice teacher, and today we're doing our favorite mixed voice warm-up. Let's get started. Remember to breathe when you need to. Take it nice and easy. Be gentle. If it's too high for you or too low for you, you don't have to sing it. And remember to smile. It helps with mixed voice, remember? Here we go. Same thing again, humming. Wee, gentle. Meow, 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 meow. We're gonna get a little higher. One more time. Meow, 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 open, meow, 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 lip trill. Gonna get a little higher. One more. Gentle. Wee, 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 If you like this warm-up video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerted for the next videos, and check out some of my singing tips, or you can even sign up for a lesson with me on oliviapeck.com and fill out the lesson request form. I'd love to meet you. See you soon. Bye.